Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Mazda BT50 XT single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4075. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front and both sides. It's fitted with 16-inch steel rims. Left front has an average tyre. Unfortunately, not much on the exterior of this vehicle has survived the accident. Right front, 16-inch factory steel wheel with a ball tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. The driver's seat, well, both seats are slightly faded and both require cleaning. We have a 6-speed manual gear knob, 6-speed manual center console, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.